Just before we begin the video, I'd like to tell you about a free beginner jazz guitar course which I have available for anyone that is new to learning jazz guitar. I've put this jazz guitar course together to break down jazz guitar in a coherent and structured way. There are over 25 4K video lessons and a 40-page downloadable PDF to help you get started. Each module comes with downloadable PDFs, chord diagrams, etudes and studies to help you get started learning the wonderful art of jazz. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how you can look at something like a jazz blues, which is just kind of one chord going to a four chord, the first four bars. And add some passing chords so you get this type of thing. So basically we're just going to be dealing with the first four bars of a jazz blues in the key of B flat, one chord, four chord, back to one chord. Now that's okay, but there's not much movement in each of those chords, so we can create tension and resolution by starting on, say, a B flat 13th chord for two bars, for two beats even, and then maybe going to a flat 13 chord. So we've got this melody note now going into a four chord. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Another thing we can do here is play maybe an E flat 7 with a flat 9 chord before coming back to B flat, which just has the fifth on top. So that kind of thing. Okay, so that's one thing that I'd like you to check out, is whenever you see just one chord that's going to a four chord, see if you can get some kind of voice leading going there. So the way I did it was 13 to flat 13. You could do the same thing if over perhaps bar 4. So if you kept the first couple of bars of a jazz blues simple, right here, that's another way in which you can add passing chords to a jazz blues.